I'm curious whether my handful of turtle buckle up Buttercup you just flipped my witch switch. Halloween moonshirt up votes are from people who legitimately like the name. Can't see anything wrong with that. Turtle buckle up Buttercup you just flipped my witch switch Halloween moonshirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Then people will talk about how bad railroad working was. Problem with historical stuff is it's usually pretty dodgy when you look into it. A turtle buckle up Buttercup you just flipped my witch switch Halloween moon shirts? I watched it years ago when it was only on Hulu. So the number of references has gone up for sure. It's always had its cult following and it wasn't out of place to see references on Reddit. But I feel like since it's been put on Netflix during the quarantine, combined with the reunion table read,